In this video, we'll start learning how to solve a Pyraminx cube. So, before solving it, we'll see. So, just like 3 by 3, in this cube also, if I'm holding this white center in front of me, so this is R when I'm moving the right side clockwise. This is R prime. So, R, R prime, U, U prime. And then this is F, F prime. This is L, L prime. So the rotations are similar to a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So first we'll make a white star shape. So the white star shape will look like, so this part, if we remove all these 4 white pieces, so this is what we'll first make. So first we'll make white star shape, and after that we'll solve the whites on the corner of these pieces. Okay, let's start. Okay, so first we'll make a white star shape. So white star means white center on the bottom, on the front. At this place it should be white, here it should be white, here it should be white, here it should be white, and here. So these 5 pieces should be white. And this color should also match. So here should be this purple and white. Here it should be yellow and white, blue and white, red and white, and green and white. So we want these 5 pieces, then we'll be able to finish the white star. So we want these edge pieces. So this is a corner, 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 edge, 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 and edge. Sorry, edge and edge. So we'll look for white pieces in white color pieces in edges. So this is a white edge piece. This is a white edge piece. This is a white edge piece. So pick any one. So first we'll fix any one of the edge piece. So in my case it was there itself, so I just brought it here. Now we'll look for another white piece. So see, I have this one. So white and red. So we will be solving this white star just like we solved a 3 by 3 white cross. So 2 sides are done. We'll find another white edge piece. See, right now this white edge piece is here. So we'll first try to bring this nearby this white center, because this layer is totally different layer. Or we can bring it like this also, but this is yellow, this is white, so we want to bring it on the yellow side. So for that we can do it like this. Now white and yellow, and solve it like this. So 1 2 3 3 sides are done, 4 sides are done, only one left. So find another white edge piece. So one white edge piece is here, and the white center is at this place. So we want to bring this white edge piece without unsolving these white edges that we have made. So we want to bring this white edge piece at this place. So we will be bringing that white edge piece without moving this layer, so that other sides won't get unsolved. So we'll bring it here, we'll bring it here on the side here. So we have brought this green side with the green center, and now we can easily bring it near white center. Now we have this, all 5 edges are solved. all the 5 white edges are solved, and we have this white star shape. Okay, so in the next video we'll see how to solve these white corners. Thank you.